Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add picture on your documents in Google Docs. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to add the picture. Simply tap on it. Here you can find the option of pencil. Simply tap on it. Next, here you can find the plus icon at the top. Now tap on it. Here you can find the option of image. Simply select it. Now you can add the picture from camera or you can add from your photos. Now choose one. Now choose the photo that you want to add and select it. Now we can see the picture has been added to your document in Google Docs. And that's it. This is how you can add picture on your documents in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.